Stay. Hey, Rem, sit. Come here.
Is that your
Open your
toy?
gift.
Go get your gift.
Good, open your gift.
What is it? What is it? Get all the wrapping paper off. Good boy.
Oh boy, what is that? Flip it over.
Now take it out of the plastic holder. Good boy. Yeah. Oh!
There's one here.
Look! Look, it's a rock. What's this?
We'll get that one in.
Oh, the candy cane.
Okay, Rem.
Good boy. Yeah, get on the good boy.
Okay, here's your next one.
Okay, here's another toy.
Oh, look at some of you like opening gifts, huh? A big bone.
Get all the wrapping paper off. Here, you want another one?
Oh, what is another gift? You must have been good.
Shark balls. Yeah, it's not quite out of the wrapping paper yet. We need to work on him a little bit more.
Big bone.
Okay, now sit down and say thank you to everyone who got you gifts.
Hey, Rem.